If you need to fasten your project on time, under budget and greatly reduce OH&S risks, then we would like to present to you the Series 2 Cobber Staple Gun. At just 5.5 kilo, it's so light you can operate it with one hand. Loading is now faster and easier, with no more bending down and, most important, no more sore backs. The Series 2 Cobber will fasten this job of approximately 1,000 square metres in less than 2 hours, which is at least 6 times faster than traditional methods, being the only staple gun to work safer on slopes because of its lightweight easy glide system. With the adjustable handle fully extended, the cobber will perform well under your centre of gravity. Here the cobber is doing a straight stitching run, joining the overlapping material. The cobber makes this easy and a thorough job. With the handle back in the lower position, the cobber is ready and enjoys working uphill. This is a good example of the patented Easy Glide system in use, making the cobber very light and versatile. On steep slopes, stitching and infilling can be done from a central position, making it safer and easier for the operator. The operator can feel confident working with ease and reliability of the Series 2 Cobber to overcome the challenges of almost any site condition. The patented PSI technology allows the operator to hammer a staple into a hard substrate. It will not engage another staple until one is out of the chamber. This is a unique feature of the Series 2 Cobber. The Series 2 Cobber has a quick and safe way to remove a bent staple. With one hand holding the cobber, the other is free to undo the quick release to open the carriage. This allows easy access to the staple, eliminating lengthy downtime and the need to carry maintenance tools. Please watch this demonstration. The team at Cobber has been making ground staples for 15 years. With good industry support, the Series 2 Cobber Staple Gun has evolved, and we are proud to invite you to be the judge of the new Series 2 Cobber.